Hey friends, if you wish to remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft Windows, current version and Explorer on the left pane. I'll expand it so that you can check it better. In the right pane, we will have to create an entry named 29. Okay, so first of all, we'll have to create a key. So right click on Explorer, select new key and name it shell icons. And then in the right pane, new dword 32-bit entry and name it 29. Okay, and now we have to insert a value inside it. I will mention this value in the description section of the video. Double click on this and then copy it here. Click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.